bought a new toy for the shop. A new surface grinder. Well, new is a relative term. But we're gonna bring this in, get it cleaned up, see if we can't get her working. So, after rethinking about this, we're going to go ahead and clean up the base, then mount the surface grinder on it, and then we can get forks underneath it, block it, and set it in place. Unfortunately, I just realized I need to go to the hardware store to get supplies. Ollie, Rosie, you want to go to the hardware store? You guys want to go to the store? You want to go to the hardware store? Oh, yes. All right, let's go. Having traction problems? Wait, I gotta close the door. I gotta close the door. In the truck. In the truck. Come on. In the truck. In the back. In the back. Rosie. In the back. There you go. Good girl. I think they like going to the hardware store. Guys, be good. Got what we need. We're headed back. So I just wanted to show you what I'm using to remove the paint on this. I'm using a medium, basically a Scotch-Brite disc that Norton makes. And then I have a very fine. I'll go over it afterwards, and depending on how that looks, may touch it up with some sandpaper to give the paint a little bite. But that's what's going on. Removed a little more paint than I was planning on it, but it came off pretty quick and pretty easy. So I think there's nothing worse than a paint job that you can see layers of paint piling up underneath it, like where the chips are. So we'll try to alleviate that, but we're just looking for a quick spruce it up job so we can put the top on it. got it stripped down further than I planned on. But hard to stop once you get going. Sanded it out with 120 grit on the oscillating sander. I left the hose on because it's super tight and I don't want to mess with that again. But we'll clean this up. We'll wipe it down with a degreaser and then we'll throw some paint on it. Call it good. Using Ace Hardware self-priming bare metal paint. I know it's not the best thing for it, but you know what? This thing's gonna be inside. It'll make me happy.